Yeah, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete browsing history on Android. So I'm going to use my Chrome browsing history. Scroll up to your Chrome browsing, open your browser, and you wait for it to load. And this is it. What you have to do is this three line button, click on it, this three dots, and click on history. And what you're going to do is delete browsing history. Click on delete browsing history, and if you want to delete the time range, you want to click everything, just click on everything. Click on last 15 minutes, last hour, last day, all the time. Just access it here, and you can be able to delete everything here. So I'm not going to delete. So guys, if this helped, click the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.